పెళ్ళైనా పండగైనా వేడుక ఏదైనా పట్టుచీరల ప్రత్యేక వేదిక వారాహి సిల్క్స్ సాంప్రదాయానికి సౌందర్యానికి వారధి.
Hello everybody. Sorry I'll be speaking in English today. It's been an absolute pleasure working with the entire team of Mazaka. I feel truly blessed to have been given this opportunity after 22 years to be precise. A special thanks to Raja Garu, Trinath sir and Prasanna sir for giving me this opportunity and believing in me for this role. My co-actors, Rao Ramesh Garu, Ritu, Sandeep Garu, thank you for being so supportive. You all have sincerely looked after me and I guess taken the best out of me in this role. And I feel like I've come out a slightly better performer, so thank you for that. And there's so many thank yous to do, but I'll save that for the trailer launch. But it's going to be an absolute entertainer, and I hope you all enjoy the movie. We've all worked very hard, and it's going to be a lot of fun. There's comedy, action, drama. So yeah, Naku chala santoshanga undi. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఫైనల్గా ఒక తెలుగు పదంతో కంప్లీట్ చేశారనమాట. ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది స్పీచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అంశుజీ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Anshuji, hi, myself Hema Malini here. Hi Hema. So after a long back, andru cheptunnaru, everyone is telling that after a long back you are appearing now with Mazaka. So what makes you to choose this story particularly to say yes, chalo, I'll do this movie and again I'll come in front of Telugu audience? What excites you more about Mazaka?
A beautiful question. I think the script itself was fantastic, the whole story of the film, and in specific my role, like it's just a role that I could only dream of. I'm at that stage where it's quite difficult for me to know where I stand because I've been away for so long. So I guess there are so many different types of roles out there. It's just where I fit. But I just felt that when Prasanna Garu narrated the role to me, I just knew straight away it was something I had to do because there's so much scope for performance, and that's exactly what I wanted to showcase after 22 years. I didn't want to just come for a short stint and not sort of...
See, actually we have watched you in Raghavendra and Manmadudu movie. Everyone will remember you in Manmadudu movie very much. Everyone is connected with the songs and the whatever the scenes and dialogues you have tell us, like coffee tagite telustadi, all these dialogues we used to remember. So do you think that this role will give you that standards according to you?
I believe it will.